Hi, this is Ajay Vishwat from MTech Aerospace Unmanned Aerial Vehicle. I'm new to Dehradun. I came here to UPES to pursue my masters and I need to do some research activities over here. And I heard about UPES. They are doing a lot of research activities, especially in biofuel, solar power plants, and now they are working on drones, which is organized by ISRO. So there are a lot of activities going on in UPES. I had a good time in UPES. Last week we have been gone to airport, Dehradun Airport, Joligan Airport. We have been taken there to ATC, Air Traffic Control Room. We learned a lot of things like how the airplane takes off, how the airplane lands, so how the communication between the pilot and the control room officer will be going on. We even had opportunity to interact with the control room officers, and we learned about the security system of the airport, and we learned a lot of instruments which helps the plane to take off, land safely, and the passenger safety things, how the passengers need to sit on the plane, how they are supposed to be allocated, how the baggage collection deposits and will be handling, how they will be handling that, how the like if there are so much crowd in the airport, how there will be crowd management, especially how the crowd management will be happening. We learned lot of things about that. And we had a tectonic section for the past 1 week, and in tectonic sections we learned the basic of aerodynamics, basics of UAV, like basics of electronics, how the drones fly, like we see in the 3 Idiots movie, how the drones fly, what are the different types of drones, what is basically UAV, what are research activities going on UAV in India as well as in abroad. And we learned a lot of like fighter missiles, how the missiles are controlled, how the fighter jets are controlled, how the air force, how they deal with the weapons and weapons like that. And we learned about the DGCA rules, acts, laws, and then we learned about CFD as well, and we learned some research activities as well, how to proceed with the research paper, how to do a project, how to we ourselves need to be entrepreneurship, how to make ourselves entrepreneurship. We learned a lot of things like that.